In front of me is Poco X6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. When you're ready, hit additional settings. And over here, select one-handed mode under accessibility section. Finally, tap on this gray switcher next to one-handed mode to activate it and follow all of those instructions to use it. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to go back, click on this gray area at the top, or simply swipe up. To disable one-handed mode completely, use the same no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!